Hey there guys, it's Marlena Burton. Really quickly, I'm here to show you how to get on track for full-time freedom for less than $1 a day. Super simple system. Guys, what people are looking for is you. So, if you haven't joined our team yet, you can go to my website, thankgod.my1dollarbusiness.com, or you can text me or give me a call, 618-223-6006. And I am in the process of filling some genealogy holes. So that means that if you join my team, what's going to happen is instead of you going to the bottom of my organization, you can go someplace closer to the top. So anyway, this week, I don't know how long this is going to last, but just got this email, 100% Fast Start Teamwork Week. So guys, let's get paid to do what we already do, and that's help each other, help other people to be able to travel and go on vacation or start their own residual income system for less than $1 a day. Absolutely incredible. Definitely a blessing in my life. And, you know, I was talking to a lady one time that's on our team about her first week. She said, well, I'm expecting that my check is going to be about $700. So just imagine if we had this system going on when she got started, she would have been banking a whole lot more than $700, and her sponsor would have been banking a lot more as well. Guys, money is neutral. And so don't apologize for the amount of money that you're earning, because that means you're bringing value to the world, okay? You're helping people change their lives. And so your reward is an extra income. So let's get over that old mentality that there's something wrong with money. Money is just like this piece of paper here. In fact, money is paper, right? It sounds simple, but you don't have any kind of negative connotations with this postcard that says yes. But when it comes to money, you do, because of your old programming. And so that's what I love to do, is teach people how to tear down those old moldy beliefs and things like that and start allowing abundance into their lives. That's what I do in my personal home business. But anyway, give yourself permission, guys. Be a good receiver. Giving and receiving is the same, okay? And so, teamwork makes the dream work. There's no better way to get paid than helping other people. And so I call it team pay, and you deserve to get team pay. Word of mouth marketing is the most powerful marketing on the planet, and it pays you more powerful than just about anything else can on the planet. So understand what you have in your hands. We have a very generous founder, Steve Gresham, and last week he did the 200%. Guys, I got emails about, was the 200% still going on, and it was already finished. So thank you, Steve. Here we are the following week with 100% Fast Start. And so basically, you're going to receive what you already do, the 50% on your personal referrals, then another 25% on your personally referred members, and then another 25% on their personally referred. So, how cool is that? So, give yourself permission, open your mind, open your heart, open your hands, and let's change your life in a profound way, okay? So let me know how I can help you. My number is 618-223-6006. If you're on my team, you have my cell phone number. And keep it super simple. Invite people to watch Steve's 10-minute video on the website. And then on Tuesday nights, you want to make sure that you invite people to the live webinar at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, 8 p.m. Central. And then on Thursday nights at 8:30 Central, Elder Tim Jones does a presentation that's just audio. It's just on the phone. So invite people, invite. Be there yourselves, and let's make a difference, okay? So thank you. I love you. God bless you. And like I said, if you're not on my team yet, go to my website, thankgod.my1dollarbusiness.com. And guys, by the way, last night I had a situation come up where I could have traveled to be there with family, but I decided I would just go the next day. But I did check and see about what a hotel might cost, okay? And so then when I was chit-chatting with family today that did actually end up going and spending the night, they spent about an extra $20 more than what I would have with this system. So whether you're going to travel today or maybe a year from now, this system is still something that you might just want to have. Just, you might just want to say, hey, let's go have a fun weekend getaway. Or maybe you want to plan a vacation. Those condo weeks are amazing. So it has unlimited possibilities. So thank you. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.